Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, NexTutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you the steps on how to reset your Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE, the 5G model. This tutorial is very easy. Follow the steps, you won't have any issues. First thing we're going to do is shut off the device. With the passcode on, we're going to have to force shut off by pressing the volume down and the power key at the same time. You want to press and hold these two buttons for 5 to 10 seconds. Once the device is off, you want to switch to pressing the volume up key and the power. So let's go ahead and start. You want to press and hold 5 to 10 seconds, and as soon as you see the device goes off, you want to release the volume down and press the power and the volume up key. Keep pressing until you see the recovery screen. It will take about a few minutes or seconds to get there. Once you get to this menu right here, we're going to use the volume down key to navigate and scroll down to the wipe data factory reset and wipe cache partition. That's the two options we're going to be doing. And you use the volume up or down key to navigate, the power key to confirm that option that you want to select. Once you are done with those two, you can go ahead and reboot your device, and that's it. Everything is wiped off and deleted from the device, and the password is removed. Then you can go ahead and set up your device. This is it, guys. This is the end of my video for the day. If you found this video helpful to you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more. And thank you guys for watching.